So in this one, I'm going to show you how to install the Visual Studio Code, which is the text editor that we are going to be using. And probably if you're watching this, maybe like 99% of you guys have already like set up this this program, okay? And if you did, just leave, just follow along, you know. You can skip this video, whatever you like. So basically I have it down here, but if you wanna, I have already installed it, but if you look up down here, Visual Studio Code, we go over here, click on this link, you can click on download for Windows. Now it's gonna like show you how to download. It gives you like a Visual Studio Code. So if you click on save, it's actually going to be downloaded. So I actually downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel it, and I have it over here on my desktop. And you're gonna click I accept this agreement, next, and I'm not gonna add it to the path. So I'm gonna go ahead. If you want to create like a desktop icon or anything, it's basically like a simple program like any other program that you set up. And now if I click on install, I'm gonna be like installing this like Visual Studio Code. And if you go up over here, you can after you install it, you can look it up and it will show up right here, and you can open the Visual Studio. You can start coding with me. And of course, if you have like a PHP store, if you have like Sublime like I have one over here, if you have text plus, it's all fine. It will, all of them will do the trick. I don't want to like click install because I've already have my Visual Studio Code right here. It will override this one that I already have, and I have like I've a lot of settings and extensions, so I don't want to like to set up all of that again. So I'm just going to cancel, but you will click on install and it will install it right away for you. So yeah, I hope this will be like this one. This one is so simple, and as I said, every text editor will do the trick. So thanks for this one, and see you.